Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to download and play Free Fire on PC or laptop guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. For playing Free Fire game, we need to download a emulator to run Free Fire in your laptop or PC guys. To download it, open up Chrome, search for BlueStacks, click on this BlueStacks 5. Click on the download BlueStacks and download it guys. After download complete, click on it and install it guys. After the installation complete, open the BlueStack 5. Click on system apps, click on Play Store. Now search for Free Fire guys. Press enter. Click on Free Fire Max. Click on the install option and install it guys. After the installation complete, you can play Free Fire on your PC or laptop guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.